Oh, hi, it's me, Cynthia. I am she. And I'm getting ready to edit this video that you're about to see. Probably the next few videos that you guys see are old videos from before I moved. And I am trying to get back into editing my videos and getting them up in a timely manner. I have over 300 videos in my phone. I'm not kidding. I have over 3,400 pictures, but over 300 videos that need to be edited together, or they're standalone or whatever. So I'm working on it. So right now I have a video from my old craft room, and I just needed to let you know that we didn't move back to our house, our old house. We're in the new house, and I can't show you, it would not be right for me to show you the house tour of my new house until my family sees my house. The only person in my family that has seen my house, besides Mark's parents, is my son Shannon and his girlfriend Bianca. They're the only people who have been in here. So, I need to get the rest of my family in to take a look around before I show the rest of the world, because I think it's just rude and hurtful if I'm just showing everybody except my family in my house. Back to the video, and yeah, I'm sorry this is so weird and choppy, and like my whole life on YouTube is just weird and choppy. Guess what? I wear hats now. And look who I found. I don't know who she is. I'm going through I'm going through a phase, another phase. I'm going through all my old crochet, and seeing what I have. I wanted to make a doll, but I knew I had a bazillion doll parts because I'm a big Courtney Love fan. I love that song, but that's not why I made a bunch of doll parts. I made a bunch of doll parts so I could make actual dolls again. A long time ago, though. So when I have like video ADD. I want to just show you everything. So what I'm going to show you now is what I'm making for dinner, and it's solely because I'm Irish, and I'm making ham and cabbage. Hi, hello, ham and cabbage. We're using a small ham because Mark will be the only human consuming ham. So there's more of it in there, but it's not like a family size ham that a family would eat. I like super soggy, but Mark likes crispy soggy. So it's crispy soggy now, and I'll turn it off. It's only been boiling for about an hour. I just have salt, pepper, and half a stick of butter in there. Back to the matter at hand. Critter Kid liked your post. Oh, thank you, Chris. All right, so I wear hats now, and this is because I went through crochet boxes of mine, and I found hats. Okay. Do I have anywhere to put you? I have boxes. I have a collection of Amazon boxes again. I have not been doing, I've been a bad YouTuber. I have not been showing you guys the things that I've been buying. Oh, my roots are growing. This is awful. I want to see, there's like no way for me to see if I have gray hair. I want to see what my gray hair is going to look like. Because we're not guaranteed to get old. My mom only made it to 61. So, back with the hat. Okay, now this hat I made probably in about 2013, and it was a purse. It was a purse, and I couldn't figure out how I was going to assemble the. Oh, see, this is why I don't like wearing hats, because I love my bangs, and the hats push my bangs in my eyes, so I look stupid in hats. How come everybody else looks so cute in hats? Nope. Ooh, look at that forehead. Dang. Ooh, dang, girl. Mm-mm. No, that's a no-no. Let's cover that up. You could put an 8-lane freeway on my forehead. Okay, so I have this hat that I never wore because it just doesn't work on me. And then this hat. So these are like so cute. That one is adorable. It's a little slouchy. I love it. They're all pretty big on me. I guess that's about right. And then, oh, this is in the same, is it from the same yarn? No, close, but it's not. This should fit a little snuggler. Snuggler. That one's not as bad. Maybe it's the bright colors that make me look weird. I like these muted colors. That doesn't make me look as washed out. I could pull this hat off. Perfect. See? That's so funny. Okay, so yeah, as you can see, this was definitely gonna be a purse. And I just couldn't manage the straps. I didn't know if I was gonna cinch it shut or what the straps are gonna be like. I really have to bleach my hair. Bleach my hair. Mark wants it this color, and I want it this color. Yeah, we're having a battle of the natural versus stripper, and it's my hair. Like, this is driving me nuts. I'm in here. Yes?
How can all of the dogs in here?
Because I'm making a video.
Come on in. There. They close the door behind me. Put the air on?
Nope.
They should be in your videos. They're important.
Oh my god. Hello. So, I was in here because I know somewhere I had a box of doll parts. And I do. I have arms of all sorts of colors. Oh, these go together. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I can do that. This must be a leg for that same doll. It's all, and I'm judging because they're all the same size single crochet. Nope, they're not. That means I use different hooks. Shoot, I don't know. Here's another hat that I don't think this hat. What is this? A skull cap? That looks terrible. I have zero idea what these are supposed to be. Are these shoulders? Are those supposed to be feet attached to that? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Then there's this one. I was going to make a Cynthia life-size doll of craziness. So this is a long arm for that because that matches my arm. Yep. You know what? No, you know what? That's what I was going to do. I was going to make... Hi. Hello. Oh, yeah. I know we're best friends. We're all best friends. You're very handsome. You're very handsome. I was going to make myself into a creepy doll. I was going to cover all of my skin with a yarn suit. And let's all be grateful that I did not do that. Are you grateful? I would be a very scary doll. The concept was I would be... Okay, I can't see puppy. I would be Mandy's mom, which, can you see her? You can see her. Yeah, I was gonna have a yarn suit or something weird. I don't know what I was thinking, but I made myself an arm of myself. I have so many boxes of, like, scrap yarn and projects that are on the hook. I guess I'll just start a collection of donation hats. I'm always making hats. They're easy to make. Hello, puppy. Hello, Bobby. And there's Douglas right there, little Dublin. Sometimes we call him Douglas. Sometimes we do. Oh, okay. Hi. Hi. All right. Okay, everybody off, mommy. There's a flush my stash of my craft room. Yep. All right. Well, that's it. I don't have anything else. So maybe, hopefully next time when I make another video, I'll have a better hairdo. Right now I have the two picky tails. I'll have a color of hair either way. I'll probably bleach it. Mark will probably get his way. Sad. Okay, well, hopefully a new doll is coming. I don't know who this is, but maybe I'll make her some limbs and some clothing. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what her name is. Oh, Marissa? She might be a Marissa. I'm not sure. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful everything. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and welcome back to all of my regular subscribers. And I hope you guys... Ooh, I just... You know, those up there. Those pictures. Okay, that was weird. Okay, okay, I don't know. That was weird. Okay. Alright. Allergies are just out of control today. Alright, I'm gonna go now. Have a wonderful everything, and perhaps I will see you on another day. Bye. And we got some more goats. We got some more goats. And a sheep. Is that a sheep? What is that? Hello. I don't even know what that is. I think it's a sheep. I'm not so sure.
find out because donkeys. We know about donkeys. We do know about donkeys, don't we? Don't we? Yes, we do. We love donkeys. Yes, we do. Oh, hi. Hi. You're very handsome. I can't even pet you. I don't even know your name. I don't even know your name. It said don't touch. You love that tree. You love it. Mark has his own goat over here. What is this? What are you doing? Hi. Hello. Oh, I'm going for a walk with a rooster. Rooster walk.